world feels very fast-paced and data-rich at the moment, which is exciting. But sometimes we need time to think. And I think one of the biggest challenges at the moment is having time to do quality research and not be rushed into giving, we need a quick answer now.
I think the key challenges for data science is really understanding and verifying what you're doing correctly, because quite often you're either looking at an artificial data set that's been created, or a data set where you can't always validate that it's representative of reality. So having the right safety nets and guardrails around that so that we can validate where our models are working, where they're not, without causing harmful impacts is currently our biggest issue.
Bad quality data and using AI models or AI systems that are trained on bad data, that's our absolute key starting point. I mean, statisticians and data scientists are aware of quality of data, so I think that really needs to be key, particularly when we're using big AI models that are using huge amounts of data.
As a statistician, if I am using the large language models, I can already see if it's throwing me the wrong way, because I know that something is not supposed to look like that. With people having those at their fingertips, there's a potential of misleading work. It may be not the biggest challenge, but it's a rising challenge.
I'd say maybe something controversial. It might actually come down to being organizationally ready to adopt these tools, rather than the complications or the actual adoption and use of some of these tools. Like, are the organizations ready to take on more advanced, more sophisticated methods, even from a simple digital infrastructure perspective, for example, or even as in terms of change management and how the organization is ready to actually welcome new ways of working, evolve the workforce. There's a lot across the public sector and regulatory in particular, a lot of resistance to certain kinds of changes.
I think some of the biggest challenges in developing that sort of equitable infrastructure is that people want to hold on to those silos, because a lot of people have created careers or useful tools that they want to hold on to, and there isn't as much of an incentive for people to share information and share data between organisations, because what do they get out of it? And so I think part of the challenge is one of incentives. How do we get people who will benefit from being part of a broader network to realise that and then push forward?
I think some of the key challenges facing data scientists coming in is trying to figure out what you want to do. There's so many new things constantly coming in that it's very easy to feel like you're falling behind because you're not sort of on top of the latest technology, latest sort of statistical techniques. You're just constantly getting new shiny things thrown at you that you could go and play with for ages. But trying to decide what you're going to specialise in and the skill sets you want to spend your time developing is quite difficult, because sometimes you don't know until you've tried whether or not something's for you.